Okay, what I have here today is the small perfume pumps. It's like a pocket size perfume. You get a lot of types of this. I just want to show you how it looks inside. So small, you press it here and then, but this one is empty. I'm gonna have to go and break this thing open. There's the front part, is like a nozzle, and there's the pump inside. I'm gonna just put it there in my vise quickly, and I'm gonna destroy it, open it, crack it open, and I'll get back to you. Okay, here's back. I put it in my vise and I literally crack it open. So this is just a small cavity. Here's the small pump that pump all the perfume that is in here. So there's still residue here. Let me just open this thing better, you can see better. So there's your pump. You take this out, just break this open. So there's your pump with a spring and a non-return valve, and this is how it works. So this is how you pump the perfume out. So this is just a small flat bottle actually where they put perfume in. Okay, that is just for interest sake, if you want to know how the small perfume bottles, pumps in your pocket operates. Here's your nozzle. Okay, thanks, cheers, bye.